Welcome back to latest breeze. Assassins have entered Edo to kill prominent politicians, Philip Shaibu said. The Edo State Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu have alleged that some unknown men are currently in Edo to assassinate some high-profile personalities in Edo. He stated this during a press conference in Benin City, the capital of Edo State, on Saturday. The Deputy Governor said President Muhammadu Buhari should rise to occasion and call the security agencies to do their work. He said the state will not be a theater of war if the things are dealt with.
Intelligent that some individuals are in Edo State, and their assignment is to come and assassinate some known individuals in the state. So I'm hereby bringing to the notice of the general public that these people are in town, and we've communicated to the security agencies about the activities and why they are in town. And also to use this medium to call on Mr. President to also call the security to do their work. Because Edo people, and Edo is not going to be a theater of war if these things are dealt with. And for us, we will continue to appeal to our people not to look for trouble, not to disrupt any program. We are law-abiding. We have the duty to protect lives and property. That we will continue to do.
Record that Shaibu had recently revealed that he fought for the national chairman of APC, Adam Oshiomhole. He said it was the same way he will fight for Godwin Obaseki, and his loyalty to the governor is unwavering. Shaibu stated this when he addressed reporters on Thursday, according to the Channel TV, revealing how Oshiomhole wanted him to join the move to unseat Obaseki. Shaibu had earlier alleged that the lawmakers have been mobilized to buy people's votes during the upcoming governorship election. Shaibu, however, urged people of the state to vote such lawmakers out, though he did not disclose their identity. This is the end of the news today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to get your notification when we drop a hot news. Just click the bell button. We love you. Bye.